When you are working with a 3D model, most of the time you are not trying to create a perfect cinematic image. What you actually want is something fast, something that looks good enough to show to a client, or to test an idea, or to move project forward without spending hours on tweaking the camera settings, lighting, materials, surroundings, all the things that slow everything down. So that's the problem I'm focusing on in this video. I'm taking a simple 3D model and using MyArchitectAI to generate a small set of images as quickly as possible.
Really fast!
2 exterior images and 3 interiors, all under winter conditions. The goal isn't perfection, it's speed, it's consistency, and whether the results are good enough to use without getting stuck in endless setup and adjustments. After each image, I will show you the before and after comparison, so you can see what exactly the tool is improving. So, let's get started. For the first exterior, I'm keeping things deliberately simple. A clean 3D model, winter daylight, overcast sky. No dramatic sunset, no cinematic fog, no distractions. This is the kind of image most of us actually need for clients or planning documents. And the first thing worth mentioning, with MyArchitectAI you don't actually need to write prompts. There is no text description, no tweaking words, no trial and error guessing. This makes the workflow much easier and the whole process faster. So as you can see, MyArchitectAI is really straightforward. You can choose between the exterior and the interior, and we have 3 rendering engines: Render, Style Transfer, and Enhance. For our images today, we will be using the Render engine. Like I said before, you don't actually need the prompts. Prompts are available under the advanced settings. I'm uploading our image, I'm choosing the exterior, Render engine. However, I actually think with these particular images, it will be worth describing in the prompt that these will be the winter conditions. Just because I don't want any other surroundings and background to be generated there. So with that prompt, I'm not doing anything specific like I always do. I'm just simply describing that I would like these images in the winter setting with the snow laying on the ground. So let's see the results. Oh wow, that's impressive. The winter lighting feels absolutely believable. Materials read clearly even without strong sunlight, and the building sits naturally in that scene. Although the trees in the background could be with the snow on them, could be a little bit better. And some shadows transitions feel slightly soft, slightly off. But I'm glad I can't see any strange artifacts anywhere, and the snow looks really realistic. Also, we have snow on the roof, which I wasn't expecting, and that was just normal roof in the 3D model. I'm absolutely happy with that, and that will be our final image. Here is our original model, and here is our winter render. The difference is immediately noticeable. For the second exterior, I am simply using a different camera view from the same 3D model. No extra setup, no adjustments, just a new angle and the same prompt. This is the kind of situation we are in all the time. You already have one view and you quickly want to do another one without rebuilding the whole scene. The idea here is to see whether MyArchitectAI stays consistent when you work fast and you don't babysit the entire process. So as before, I'm uploading our new image, I'm keeping the exterior, and render engine, I am keeping the same prompt as we've got that, and let's see the results. Oh wow, that's good. The glazing reflections are controlled, not exaggerated, perspective remains stable, and the winter atmosphere on this one feels calm rather than dull, although the darker areas lose a bit of texture, and the sky feels slightly generic. In all, there is good balance between the realism and clarity. However, there is one thing I would like to upgrade, and for that one we'll go to the editing toolkit. And this is genuinely one of the strongest parts of this platform, apart from the accuracy. You can isolate materials, soften highlights, or clean up awkward areas. And you can make targeted adjustments without rendering the whole image again. And as you can see, here we have Edit by Prompt, Change Texture, Remove Object, Add Object, or Enhance Area. For what I want to achieve, I will use Add Object. And this is completely new function with MyArchitectAI and works absolutely fantastic. I'm highlighting an area in the image in red, and I'm describing in the prompt that I would like a black Jeep to be generated in the background there, behind the building. So, let's see what results we can get. I like that, that's really good. And that Jeep is not just random, it's in keeping with the winter atmosphere. Here is the before and after. One looks like raw output. The other one feels like presentation ready. Before we move on, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, comment and give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel to grow. Moving inside now, let's start with the kitchen. Interiors are where AI tools usually get nervous. Reflective surfaces, cabinetry, worktops and lots of small details that quickly reveal mistakes. And I want to keep the winter context consistent, so hopefully we'll see the colder daylight coming through the windows. But for this image we'll go with no prompt. So let's see what we can get and then we'll refine it with the editing toolkit if need be. So now I'm uploading our image, I'm choosing the interior render engine, and as I said before, I'm going with no prompts on this one, so let's see what we can get. Okay, that's great. I feel like the materials are playing a key role here, and they are clean and readable. Lighting feels balanced, not over bright, it's with keeping with that winter atmosphere. There are no distortions along the edges or cabinets, although some textures feel slightly too smooth, and the reflections could be a touch sharper. In all, this space feels realistic and usable. I like it. But as before, let's upgrade that image a little bit. And for that one, we'll go to the edit section and we'll choose edit by prompt. I feel like the left-hand side of that image feels a little bit empty. So what I would like to get here, it will be the minimalist painting. That's fine, it's a good result, it's in nice scale. Obviously, I'm not speaking about the painting itself, I don't want AI to create art. Not yet. This will be just our placeholder, so I can Photoshop some proper painting in that place. But we'll have the frame, we'll have the shadows, that will be good placeholder. Another thing is that I think that space could use having some greenery. And I think the perfect space for that would be the end of the kitchen behind the dining table. So let's describe in the prompt that I would like to generate there some medium-sized potted plant. And let's see what we can get. Okay, it's not perfect result, it's something. I think it's acceptable. The plant is looking a little bit plastic, but it could be. And there is one more thing we'll do here. We'll download that image in 4K. So next to the download button, you have 4K upscale button. So to do that, you don't have to go to any other section within MyArchitectAI. It's just under one button, available straight away. So here is the kitchen before, and here is the same space after processing. Next up, the living room, with softer furnishings, layered materials, and indirect winter light. This is usually where things fall apart if the tool isn't careful. I'm uploading our image, keeping the interior, keeping the render engine, and I will actually put the prompt here, the one I had previously, just to have nice view outside of the window. Okay, it's not that bad. Soft furnishings look natural, but the fabric texture repeats slightly over them. The lighting feels calm and controlled, and the colors stay consistent with the original model. So I think I'm happy with the materials on this one, but the thing I'm not happy with is the view out of the window. There is that weird pile of snow in the foreground, but I think for now we'll leave it like that. In all, the room feels cohesive and it sits nicely with that winter atmosphere. However, there is one more thing I would like to upgrade here, and for that one we'll go to the editing toolkit again. I'm going to the edit by prompt, and I feel like the space above the sofa is quite empty. So again, as in the kitchen, I would like to generate a painting here. Okay, that's a very good result, I'm happy with that, and I feel like I don't actually have to Photoshop that painting. It can stay as it is. It's good enough. And there is one more thing we'll do here, we'll download that image in 4K. Take a look at that comparison. The upgraded version feels far more settled. For the final image, I chose the bedroom. Low contrast, minimal furniture, soft winter light, and the surrounding with winter trees and hopefully cold winter atmosphere. This is a subtle space, and this is really hard for AI. However, this is where I think that MyArchitectAI will perform the best, because it doesn't try to dramatize the scene. It usually stays quiet, restrained, and realistic. So as before, you know the drill. I'm uploading our image, I'm keeping the interior, render engine, I'm keeping our prompt just to get the winter conditions, and let's see what results we can get. Oh, that's funny. I like that. Someone left the window open on this one. Right, I will just slightly rewrite the prompt and let's try again. That's a proper result now. That's good. The light is very even and soft. Materials aren't over-processed, and the colors stay neutral and consistent. However, some details feel slightly simplified, and the edges could be a little bit crisper. One thing I really appreciate here that the timber on the floor and the furniture in the model were different, but quite similar, and that has been repeated there. So you can still see on the visual that they are different, but they come together quite nicely. It looks good. So the overall atmosphere on that image feels calm, and I'm happy with the interior. Although what I'm not happy with is the view outside. The trees feel generic, over-processed, and not really so good. So for that one, we'll go to the edit section, and I will go to the enhance area. So I'm highlighting that particular area I would like to get changed. I will describe in the prompt that I would like the realistic trees in the background in the winter conditions covered with snow. And let's see what upgrade we can get here. Okay, the result is good, I'm happy with that. Don't get me wrong, the surrounding isn't perfect, we have no context and nothing else apart from the trees. But at least the trees look realistic. So I feel like this is acceptable, and this will be our final image. So here's the before and after. Subtle, but much more refined. Let's talk pricing quickly. You can try MyArchitectAI for free, which is great if you want to start testing your own project with this model. The paid plan is $29 a month or a discounted yearly option if you prefer paying once and forgetting about it. And I honestly recommend yearly option as you are getting 3 months for free. I also have a 20% discount code for you. Just use my code ATA20 at the checkout and the discount will be automatically applied. So after testing 5 winter images, 2 exteriors and 3 interiors, I would say MyArchitectAI works best as a refinement tool, rather than as a magic button. It's fast, consistent, and the editing toolkit gives you a real control over the results. It's not perfect. Some textures can feel a bit soft, and winter skies and backgrounds could use more variation. But overall, it respects your original design and helps you get to a cleaner, more presentable image much faster. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see how that compares to a full visual workflow, including various styles of images and animations, go and watch my VizMaker video next, it's right here. I break down the entire process there, step by step. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.